What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you are not new here, if you are new here, welcome. So today I will be transforming my dresser, this space right here to be more specific, into a cat oasis for a future member of our family. For those of you who have just stumbled upon my new apartment dopamine dump decor series, make sure that you go back and watch the video of me actually painting my dressers from what they used to be to their beautiful whimsicalness that they are now. Because I also painted this in the series, my nightstand. It is so adorable. And if you want a better close-up and more details, make sure you go watch the other video. But seeing as this will be like a bonus video drop of the week, I'm not going to take forever or take up all of you all's time. I'm going to make this as quick and painless as possible, but making sure that I bring the people the information. That's you. You're the people. Oh. Welcome to another episode of My Life Unscripted with Zero Regrets. Cue the music! And like I said before, if you are new here, welcome. And if you are not, then welcome back. Make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and make sure that you watch it all the way through. Like, I like to earn my like. And if you see something in the video that you want me to elaborate on, or you just want to hold a conversation, please leave all of your comments down below, because I like talking to you. Talk to me, I talk back. And if you are not already, do not forget to subscribe and support me and join this beautiful village that is growing, that is called the Brickolinis. I love all of my little Brickolinis so much. You all are so amazing. As you can see, I've been getting the work done, okay? I've been posting some of this on TikTok and then some on YouTube. So if you're from TikTok, welcome. And if you're from YouTube, you are still appreciated over here, boogie. But yesterday I attempted to paint Pumpkin's wall, and I was supposed to paint it the sage green, but it ended up being that hunter green from the dressers. By the time I realized that I was painting with the wrong color, I was halfway through with the wall. And on top of that, as you can see, I ran out of paint, so I had to go back to the Home Depot to purchase more of the paint that I did not originally want on her wall. But that goes without saying that that sage green paint will not go to waste, because I will be using that to balance out the other side of her wall, because she's going for a girly anime type room, and I'm here for it. I'm here for all the support and love that Pumpkin will ever need, trust me. And before we get too far into today's vlog, I just want to say that I appreciate everybody that has been sticking with me for the past, I would say, about 4 or 5 videos. My intros and my outros have been off because I've just been recording the content and forgetting to record my intros and outros. I apologize to all of you who are missing the cue to music on my previous videos. I promise I am getting better. I am learning more and I will do better in the future. Okay, now that that is out of the way, I promise you will never ever have to deal with that ever again, because I'ma just record my intro and my outro in every single vlog regardless of whether I plan on ending that vlog that day. Now let's get into this wall. Day 2, action. What's up, y'all? It is day 2. I know this is definitely going to be a 2-day vlog for the simple fact that I ran out of paint. While painting the wall, I ran out of paint and I just did not feel like going back to Home Depot yesterday. So I got up this morning, did some editing and stuff, and then I went to Home Depot and got the paint. So now we can finish el proyecto, or however you say it. As far as the house, I finally gotten everything painted that's going to be painted. Here is a look at the living room wall. This color is from Home Depot in their Bare One Coat. It's called Drama Queen. And then I also finished the frames. So I'm just waiting on her posters to come in, which they will be in on, I think, Saturday. And then I also finished painting her room. Like I told y'all before, she is going for this My Hero Academia type themes. I have also been busy working in my bathroom. I finally got my curtains up. These are not as long as I wanted them to be. Like I wanted them to drag the ground, but it's okay, it'll do. My shower curtain should be in, I think, in like a week. And then I still have a lot more like stuff that, well, it's mainly like decor stuff that need to be unpacked. And then I bought some pillows from At Home for the sofa. That mirror is from my previous apartment, which I'm going to hang on this wall, which is a project that I'm about to start in a minute because that is my roll of grass in the corner. If you have made it this far, thank you so much. You are greatly appreciated for watching this video all the way through. And if you have watched this video all the way through and you are not following me, why not follow me? I mean, support me. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and go ahead and watch more of my videos because this is like not even the tip of the iceberg, baby. We're still climbing the mountain. And don't forget to leave all your comments down below. Which part of this renovation are you enjoying watching unfold? What do you want to see? Like, what do you think is next? Like, where do you want to go? Do you have any recommendations on places that I can get stuff for less? Because we are doing what? Saving money. Okay. Make sure y'all be on the lookout for the next episode of My Life Unscripted with Zero Regrets. Cue the music!